Hi guys, and thanks for visiting the channel page of 1doorhr. I firmly believe learning is a two-way process. I learn from you and you learn from me. I'm a HR professional for 14 years now. To know more about me and the HR services which I cater to my clients, please visit me on www.1doorhr.com. You must be wondering, so what? What's so great about this channel and why should you subscribe it? Right? I will tell you why you need to subscribe 1doorhr. On this educational channel, I make videos on soft skills which you can enhance and implement in your personal and professional life. Tips to prepare for interview and face it confidently is there in interview series. Whenever I read any self-help book, I make summary for you guys. And don't forget to watch my motivational videos whenever you feel low in your life. Human Resource Playlist will cover HR topics which is useful for our day-to-day corporate life. Management series will help us to know what kind of a manager or a leader we are and its different styles. In the job description bucket, we will be talking about the major roles and responsibility of the key roles of the organization. Team building section will help us to connect with our team formally and informally. Last but not the least, other skills or generic topics. The topics which are not falling in the previous buckets, all I have included in the general or other skills topic. As we move further, I would be adding some more buckets in the playlist in my channel so that the videos are properly bucketed for our convenience. If you want me to cover any specific topic, you're most welcome to comment in the comment section in any of the videos and I would be coming back to you. That's all about 1doorhr. Make sure you subscribe it and comment below to introduce yourself. Welcome to the 1doorhr community. Let us learn something and succeed with knowledge. Thank you.